How to activate MetroBank credit card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate your MetroBank credit card online. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up a web browser and simply search for activate MetroBank card. And after you search for that, you'll be on MetroBank's activation page. You will see different websites here. Head over to this website right here, which takes you to activate card option. This is the website right here, metrobank.com. And after you're here, you can scroll down and you'll see the card activation section. Right here, all you now need to do is type in your credit card number. And after you type in your credit card number, just choose your expiry date. So I'll just choose my expiry date and then just go through the CAPTCHA. After you go through the CAPTCHA, you can tap on proceed and your card should start the activation process. And that's basically it guys. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.